Hello and welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see tie-dye bedsheet design. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. While the term tie and dye was coined in the middle 1960s by the Americans, it has its roots in the history of Asia. The design is famously known by the name of Bandhani in Indian princely state Rajasthan and Gujarat for the last 500 years. Also, there has been evidence of the Tang dynasty in China using this technique in the 6th century. Of course, there has to be some reason why the tie and dye pattern is still in demand. Though this designs is now used of different options, it beautifully gets highlighted on bedsheets. If you wish to offer a unique and attractive look to your bedroom, getting a tie and dye bedsheet is always a potential idea. But you should make sure to get quality sheets that maintain their quality for a long time. Jaipur Fabrics is one such reliable place that can offer you some alluring designs with the assurance of high quality. Whether it is a special occasion or you are expecting a special guest, offer your bedroom a unique traditional touch with this tie and dye bedsheets. The best thing about the tie and dye bedsheets is that they are comfortable in every season and they can suit every occasion. I hope this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your bedroom with tie-dye bedsheet. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.